Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the input settings. So at first click on the button in the bottom right corner at the back of your monitor and click on it once again. Here scroll down to input, click on the input, and now we can switch between the inputs manually. HDMI, DisplayPort and USB-C video, as you can see. Now we have USB-C video and we have no signal because we changed it manually, and we can set it to back to HDMI because I'm plugged into HDMI, and we can go back to it now. Input. Here we have auto switch input, which is when you are plugging your monitor into your laptop or PC, your monitor will automatically switch to the active port when connected. Below that we have DP hot plug detection, and here we have low power or always active. We can click on it and switch these two options. Same with auto switch input, etc. If we scroll down further, we can see hot plug initiate. We can click on it, and here we have: do you want to inform the OS when you switch color presets? Recommended for macOS. Here we have initiate hot plug or no. You can switch between these two, and here we have DisplayPort mode. Here we can set the DisplayPort mode from 1.1 to 1.4 except 1.3, and at the bottom of our screen we can see reset input settings, but before that we have USB-C MST configuration, and this is our configuration: USB 2.0, 60 Hz, and our resolution. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.